Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your needs. Today, we're talking about the best Ford center cap stickers on the market. The set of Ford 2 and an 1/8 black and chrome center wheel cap kit, designed for current and late model Ford passenger cars. If you're a Ford enthusiast and looking to upgrade your wheels with a sleek, stylish finish, this product is for you. When it comes to enhancing the look of your Ford vehicle, small details make a big difference. These center wheel caps are designed specifically for Ford passenger cars, so you can trust that they will fit perfectly. The set includes 4 caps, each with a black design and a chrome logo. This combination of black and chrome not only adds a modern touch to your wheels but also gives your car a high-end look without the hefty price tag. What's great about these wheel caps is their snap-on installation. You don't need to worry about complicated tools or a lengthy installation process. Simply snap them onto your wheels, and you're done. This means that even if you're not a car expert, you can easily transform the appearance of your vehicle in just a few minutes. These caps are made from durable metal, which ensures that they stand up to daily wear and tear. Whether you're driving in the city or cruising on the highway, you can rely on their toughness to keep your wheels looking fresh and sharp. And while they do not fit aftermarket wheels or Ford truck and SUV wheels, if you own a late model Ford passenger car, these caps are the perfect addition to your vehicle. In terms of sizing, each cap has a diameter of 2 and an 1/8 inches, which fits most Ford passenger car models from 2015 to 2020. Just be sure to check your vehicle's specifications before making a purchase to ensure compatibility. So, if you're looking for an affordable yet stylish way to upgrade your Ford's wheels, the set of Ford 2 and an 1/8 black and chrome center wheel cap kit is an excellent choice. They are easy to install, built to last, and will give your car a sleek and modern look. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Until next time, drive in style.